Mommy, can I watch cartoons now, please?
After you finish your homework, sweetie. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did all my math. See?
Let me see. Oh, wow. Good job, honey. These are all correct.
So can I watch now? Can I?
Okay, but only for 30 minutes. Deal?
Deal! Thank you, Mommy. You're the best.
Joe, you say that every time. So, which cartoon do you want to watch today?
I want to watch Bluey.
Again? You watched that yesterday, too. Okay, tell me why you like Bluey so much.
I know, but it's so funny, Mommy, and I love Bluey's family.
Oh, that's sweet.
Because Bluey and Bingo play games all day, and their daddy plays with them.
Oh, their daddy plays with them? That's nice.
Yes, he pretends to be a horse sometimes, and they go on adventures in their house.
Adventures in the house? What kind of adventures?
Like they pretend the floor is lava, and they jump on pillows and sofas. It's so cool.
Oh, no, don't get any ideas. We're not jumping on our sofa.
I know, but it looks fun on TV.
It does look fun. What else happens in the show?
Well, first they build a fort, and then they find a treasure map. Sometimes they go to the park. And oh, Bluey has a friend named Chloe. She's really nice.
That's sweet. Do they go to school in the cartoon?
Sometimes. And their teacher is very kind. She teaches them new things.
You know what? I think you learn good things from this cartoon.
What do you mean, Mommy?
Well, Bluey shares her toys with her sister, right?
Yes, even when she doesn't want to. But then they have more fun together.
Exactly. That's called sharing. It's very important.
I know. Like when I share my crayons with my friends at school.
Yes, exactly like that. I'm proud of you, sweetie.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh, and you know what else?
What?
In one episode, Bluey says sorry when she makes a mistake, just like you taught me.
Oh, wow. You remember that? That's wonderful, honey.
Yes, saying sorry is good. It makes people feel better.
You're absolutely right. See, cartoons can teach us nice things.
So can I watch more cartoons then?
Nice try. Still just 30 minutes.
Aw, okay. Mommy, do you have a favorite cartoon?
Me? Oh, when I was little, I loved Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry? Who are they?
It's about a cat named Tom and a mouse named Jerry. They always chase each other.
A cat and a mouse? That's funny.
It is very funny. They don't talk much, but they do silly things.
Can we watch it together sometime?
Of course. Maybe this weekend. Would you like that?
Yes, that sounds fun.
All right, sweetie. Go ahead and turn on your cartoon now. But remember,
I know, only 30 minutes.
good girl. And sit properly, okay? Not too close to the TV.
Okay, Mommy, will you watch with me?
For a little bit, yes. Come here, let me sit with you.
You're the best mommy in the whole world.
And you're the best daughter in the whole world.